A ride, one of the longest rides in the park, has reopened. Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here, and finally some Islands of Adventure updates a few days later than normal. I've been busy. I spent a day with my daughters with their birthdays, and then yesterday I went to a theme park I'd never been to before. Did not take a camera though. Probably in a couple months I'll go back to it, and if I do, I'll record videos then. But I did it yesterday. Yesterday was just me and Nikki having fun at a theme park we've never been to. But today I do have a camera. I'm gonna start by showing you this update in City Walk. The expansion of the Universal Studios store coming along nicely with its new facade here. This store going to be divided into two sections, a section for Super Nintendo World and a section for the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, which will enable you to buy butterbeer here in City Walk. I keep forgetting this little Coke refreshment center in City Walk actually has breakfast. You get things like egg and cheese bagels, bacon, egg and cheese bagels, sausage, egg and cheese bagels, empanadas for around anywhere between like $8 and $9. Right before the bridge that takes you to Islands of Adventure is the Lone Palm Airport Bar. Completely closed down now. Construction walls all around it. The roof there almost completely dismantled. I hope this is all in preparation of the Hemisphere Dancer coming back soon. One would think that if they totally renovate this bar, part of its reopening would be the return of that seaplane. A gratuitous water taxi shot before we step into the theme park. The SS Venture going by, followed by Real Thrills. Of course, we're not going to enter with the regular guests. We're going to go to the far left and enter through the pass holder line. Love it, love it, love it. I only wish that Studios had a pass holder line too. I'm going to keep mentioning that until it does have its own pass holder line. A long line over here for Express today. Oh my goodness, the line for guest service is super long too. The trading company has something right out front, which is good because I've meant to show you this weeks ago, but I kept forgetting. So thank goodness it's out front now. $85 for the Universal Studios Spirit jersey. This is a retro style, kind of the retro logo. It's nice because it's not super thick. It's a thinner material. You know, because Florida is hot. You see, the Fudge Ann store has an $80 Hello Kitty Spirit jersey, and this is of a thicker material than the Universal one. The side entrance to the trading company usually has a checkout counter right here, but it doesn't today. That's a little weird. I wonder why. Today, Universal has added back the Express Line kiosk to under the bridge here. It's been a while since they've had this here. Let me check on the prices. 2-park unlimited express passes, $269 a piece. To any new viewers watching, I need to say that Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure does not have an express pass line. However, the Velocicoaster, going over that top hat right now, it does have express. I was going to go right through Seuss Landing today, but then I thought, to get to that ride that has reopened, to get there quicker, we need to start here and go this way around the park. Spider-Man, a 40-minute wait and no single rider line available at the moment. As we leave Superhero Island, straight ahead there's this building. It's a stadium. People sometimes ask me, what do they do here? What is that for? Well, it's used about 5 to 10 days out of the year. In one of my more recent live streams, we saw it being used for a cheer and dance competition. Also, during that most recent Islands of Adventure live stream, we saw Betty Boop's leg kicking and swinging. It is still kicking and swinging. Are you kidding me? Under Betty Boop is the pass holder lounge. Sometimes pass holders, they're receiving free magnets or lanyards. If you're unsure if they're giving away anything, just pop inside and ask them any pass holder handouts, and they'll let you know if there's something for you to pick up or not. Over here near the Hush Bomb, they've updated the decking here, especially around the trees. This new rubber material has been added to around this tree, and also to these two trees over here. This is all refreshed rubber. And they may have done some repainting, but more important to that, over here by the Hush Bomb, something that's been gone for a long time has returned. I didn't think they were going to bring this back. The detonator. It's back, baby. Although, I did push that detonator a few times, and I didn't hear any explosions. During the last update video, there were construction walls right here. Those have been removed because the water ride, Popeyes and Bluto's Barges, has reopened from its winter maintenance. Although, I do notice that the waterfall here, not really going at full force. With the construction walls being down, it means Wimpy's Burgers has reopened, but what has not returned, the group of hamburgers that used to be on this table. Those have not come back yet. A couple more things about this area being reopened. It means the kids play area, Me Ship the Olive, is available to kids and guests again. I don't know if this was done recently, this very last maintenance period, but the decking up here looks really good. Apparently it has been refreshed recently, if not this last time, very recently. And of course, this area has free use water cannons. The area behind Me Ship the Olive, open again, with those construction walls being down. This is a nice area to get away from the crowds, sit in the shade, enjoy the waterfront down here, and also, it is one of the best places just to view the Velocicoaster. I would suggest that if you do get yourself one of those Wimpy Burgers, walk it back here, sit down and enjoy it in the shade and watch the Velocicoaster. Hey, Gasoline Alley, it's spring break. We really should have the water can spitting out water. At Kong, the scrim is down, but they are still not running the buses outside yet. If you are a super fan of the Jurassic Park River Adventure, I have a t-shirt for you. It's called Scream, Splash, Laugh. That's what you do on this ride. You scream when you drop, you splash when you hit the water, and then you laugh afterwards. Link to that shirt in the description box. The only way I know an adult to ride the Pteranodon Flyers without a child is during the Orlando Informer meetups. And even then, it's by raffle only. I'll leave a link to the Orlando Informer meetups in the description box. The next meetups are in June. Apparently, I'm going to die alone on this hill. Burger Digs, the outside seating area. This fencing is totally unnecessary. It's just unsightly. Does anyone else agree with me? Or will I really die alone on that hill? You know what I do like at Burger Digs? The outside patio area that's in the back, the balcony. I think balcony is the word I'm looking for. One of the best places to eat. Why? The views. Here comes a good one right now. The Mosasaurus roll over the water. Since I've shown you the Velocicoaster a few times today, I should share the wait time. Currently, a 65-minute wait. Life is better here. Check the description box. You'll see what I mean. Hagrid's is delayed, but I think they're getting ready to reopen it. Long lines for the 3 broomsticks and for the butterbeer carts at the moment. Actually, this side is really long, but I could walk up right now and get one. There's like no line here, but look at this. Look at, what? Come over here. Hogwarts Express, a fun magical transportation mode, but raise your hand if you ever apparated or used the Metro flu. I walked all the way through the Lost Continent and didn't have anything to say about it. I didn't want to jump all the way from the Wizarding World to Seuss Landing without at least acknowledging the Lost Continent. And it seems to be a pretty quiet day in Seuss Landing. Oh my goodness. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Time out. This is a test of the Zach Morris timeout system. This is only a test. Wait time, lightning round. High in the Sky Trolley, 35 minutes. Carousel, 5 minutes. One fish, 2 fish, 20 minutes. Cat in the Hat, 15 minutes. Program note, I will be doing a live stream tomorrow morning sometime. So until then, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Check out the description box on your way out.
It's gonna be a good day, Ricky Nicky show the way. It's gonna be a good